5 Best Ways to Protect Your Wall from Getting Scratched by Furniture. Paint scratches from chairs on your dining room walls are a homeowner's nightmare. When furniture makes contact with a wall, smudging can occur, either because the dye or finish of the furniture transfers to the wall or the friction caused scuffs in the wall paint. You can use different kinds of methods to fix this problem, such as keeping the furniture at a safe distance from the walls. The most common solution is patching up the walls and repainting, but this kind of repair can be time-consuming as well as costly. Instead, use preventive measures that will protect your walls, such as adding protective buffers to your chairs and using durable methods. 5 methods that can help you protect your walls are: 1. Cover up chairs. An easy and simple solution to keep chairs from scratching your dining room walls is to cover them with slipcovers. Slipcovers soften the contact to your walls, and, if the chairs hit the wall, create minimal buffs or marks. Choose the color and pattern of your cover-ups wisely. It matches with the interior of your house. 2. Add bumpers or felt secure clear plastic bumpers to the backs of chairs in your dining and living room as well as the kitchen. Typically made of silicone or rubber with a sticky adhesive backing, these products are most effective when installed on the widest point of the back of a chair, usually the upper portion of the backrest. Clear plastic bumpers, use dime-sized, blend in nicely. If you do not care for the clear bumpers, they also come in other colors, black, light, and dark browns, that match most chair finishes and colors. The felt bumpers are another option, but they come in an array of browns so they blend in better with natural wood finishes. 3. Install chair rails. Install chair rail around the perimeter of the room. This decorative architectural feature acts as a bumper between furniture and the wall. Install the molding 1/3 of the way up the wall or 32 to 36 inches above the floor. For the best protection, choose an installation point slightly lower than the shortest piece of furniture. 4. Using non-slip furniture mats. Position non-slip furniture mats underneath tables, seating, and bookcases to prevent shifting. Cut each mat to size before placing them under the furniture. These small, indiscernible mats prevent movement, especially in spaces with hardwood or tile flooring. 5. Using rugs underneath furniture. Arrange area rugs underneath furniture near walls, using the carpet's pile to keep furniture in place. Situate the rugs so that the entire furniture is resting on top of the carpet or so that the front legs sit on the rug. Depending on the rug's construction, you may need to place a rubberized carpet mat underneath to prevent the rug itself from shifting. Below are given affiliate links of some products in the description by me, where you can see them and purchase if you like them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.